Jennifer Woolsey, and we are going to do a quick makeup tutorial this morning. I hope you're doing fantastic and that you have all the plans in the world made, and we're going to chat this morning about what are your plans. How about that? So I've already done my morning skincare regimen. You guys know that I am a firm believer in my vitamin C serum. It is so great for brightening, deep wrinkles, fine lines, helps to kind of give your skin a little bit more balance. That Belif Aqua Bomb, helping balance that pH level again and giving your skin that little added moisture and control of oil. It's weird how that works. If you balance out your pH levels, you won't have as much oiliness and you will have plump, moisturized skin. I don't need any help with the plumpness, I don't think. And then my Depuffing eye serum, because I'm still learning to sleep again. So, all right, let's dig in. So we're going to get started with our VDL primer this morning to prime our face and get it ready for makeup. Give ourselves a little bit of extra glow. You can even see it when you put it on your hand, that little bit of extra pearl. And just going to do upward motions. There we go. All right, so we are primed and ready to go. Of course, you guys know my favorite foundation right now is our Cashmere Complexion 24-hour long wear, because it gives me all the wear for all my plans. So I've just been, looking. We usually try to take the boys somewhere over the summer to do something to get them, out of the house and kind of a vacation type thing. So I've been looking at options and I'm like, is it really safe to go somewhere, or is it all media hype? So I don't know. I've just been kind of running it through, trying to figure out, do we do a staycation maybe? Maybe we do a staycation. I don't know. What are your thoughts? Are you still planning on taking your family on a summer vacation? Is that even okay right now? I don't know. Or are you just going to continue your staycation? I was thinking the beach, where we don't have to be around people, maybe with a condo that we can just buy groceries and cook and not have to be, out and about in huge crowds. Sounded really nice. I love a beach with some sand and relaxing with the waves. That just sounds so awesome. Maybe your dream is the mountains, but is it okay? That is the question. I think that has to be a personal choice that each of us make on whether we're ready to go out, right? I mean, are you going out and getting your hair done and your nails done? Oh yeah, I did my own nails. I have to show y'all. Bam, got some sparkle going on. Did my own nails. It was so fun. Okay, all right, we are foundationed up. I don't think. Hi, Chloe. Are you going on a vacation this year? Share with us in the comments. How do you feel about it? Do you think that's a good decision? She's going to school to be a nurse, so we should get her expert opinion. Cashmere Complexion in a Mocha for our concealer. Doing that downward motion to try to pull the light away from those eyes. Good morning, Angie. How are you? I hope you're doing well. So we're talking this morning about plans. Are you going out of town? What are you going to do? What are your thoughts? Sometimes I think, I don't know, I don't want to get political at all, but I do think that we have to make the best choice for ourselves and the safest choice for our families. But, I mean, maybe it's like going to an Airbnb in a town next to you that has like a swimming pool or something. I thought that would be fun. Maybe find a bigger town that has an Airbnb with a swimming pool and let the boys swim and just get into some different scenery. I mean, that's the thing, right? It's just, we're tired of the same scenery. Ready for a change. All right, let's use our Tattoo Station eyeliner or eyebrow pencil. You guys, so in love with it. I haven't made any plans yet. We're just kind of contemplating. Tattoo Station, brown black. You guys, I cannot wait for you to get your hands on this stuff. It's amazing. Okay, we are just going to color in. I'm just doing light strokes, the same direction as my eyebrows, so that it doesn't look like it's like painted on or stamped on. And if you'll just kind of follow, it's like follow the grain when you're painting. If you'll follow the grain on your brows, then it won't look like it's something, you know, really different. Here we go. Just got to get in the groove, just doing short little motions. There, we are done. I'm going to Texas Convention in Houston. Oh, that's cool. They canceled our Avon convention, which was going to be in San Antonio this year, which makes me so sad because we love to go. It's always so much fun. But I heard they might be doing a virtual one, so I'll be here for that. I'll show up for that. Okay, Magix Dust is our setting powder. Love this powder. We're going to use it to go over and just set that foundation and that concealer. Give it a little bit of that matte finish. There we go. Okay. I'm already feeling set. Are you feeling set? All right. Do a little bit more here. Just takes a little bit to get that look. Okay, there we go. Now, let's hop in with our eyes. We're going to use our Chocolate Sensations palette. I do have a new one ordered because I'm running out of my #1 pod. So I'm just going to use that and get the lid of the eye covered. All right. You can swap eyeshadow on, but something I've been learning recently is if you will take the time and just pat it in, it's going to tend to stay longer on your eyes, and you're going to also have a lot less fallout. Okay, so we covered the lids. Now we're going to go in with #2 in this palette, and we're going to just gently work that crease. Working that crease, baby. There we go. Put a little extra there in the corner. A little extra. As re the makeup brushes from Avon. I need new ones. Oh, girl. Well, this is one I earned, but we have a great powder brush that is just like this. I earned this one, so it's a different color. My favorite blush brush is Avon, and of course my eyeshadow brush. This is just my basic eyeshadow brush, and then my crease brush are both Avon, and I have cleaned these a million times. They hold up. I mean, I've had these forever, and I clean them every month really good with like Dawn dish soap, and I have not had any like bristles coming out. Okay, I'm using 3 now, and I'm just gonna come down here and blend it with that crease. But yeah, I mean, they've lasted me forever. I think they maybe buy one, get one free on the website. I'm not positive. But you can check it out on your avon.com/jwoolsey. But yeah, I mean, I'm all Avon brush girl. And I've tried other brushes. In fact, at Christmas time, I bought some Morphe brushes. They were on sale. I think they're Morphe. Let me look. Let's see what the brand is. Yeah, Morphe brushes. And I'll tell you, they are tougher. Like the bristles are tougher. I don't feel like that they blend as well as our AVON brushes do. So, and these were pretty expensive. I think I paid $20 for like a 4-pack. But I will tell you that I stay with my AVON brushes because they're not as flexible. You can kind of see the difference. Like this is the AVON one. And like I said, I've had it forever. But the brushes are smoother. The bristles are smoother than like the Morphe one. So, I mean, to each their own. You're all going to find your own bristle that really, you know, tickles your fancy. But I like something that's looser that I can get more fluid movement when I'm putting makeup on. So that's my review. I'm using SuperExtend Precision Liquid Eye Pencil to line these eyes out. There we go. Perfect. Yay! Okay. I was trying to think. I do use, now sometimes if I do no, it's AVON too. If I do like a dapple with my liquid eyeshadow, I like our concealer brush. I'll use it for that. I don't like a brush going underneath. I just prefer to do it with my finger. But this is our concealer brush, and I use it a lot of times whenever I'm doing like one of our Glimmershadows. I'll put the shadow on my hand, and then I'll just tap. And this is a little bit of a coarser bristle, and so I'll use it to pat on. I'll show you here. This is our Glimmershadow, and I think this is pink amethyst, but it goes really well with browns. So I'm just going to put it on my hand because I like to have control of how much I put on my eye. So I'll show you. So then you can just take it and pat it. And some people may prefer a concealer brush for under their eyes. I just feel like I get more coverage when I'm using my finger. So then you can just take it and just pat it in where you want it to go. It gives you a little extra glimmer. So you can see, I'll close my eyes and let you see. This one has a Glimmershadow, this one doesn't. So it just gives you a little extra glimmer. Why not? We can glimmer. I've got all kinds of zooms today, so we'll glimmer a little bit. And if you'll really work it, like I'm just barely lightly tapping, and it will blend it really well. So that is our concealer brush. So just to kind of review on some of the different ones, I like them all. I think I have every brush that we have. I have a stash of brushes. Am I the only one? I'm looking for my pad so I can wipe that off. Am I the only one that collects? I'm a collector of brushes. It seems to, makes me happy. I like to have options. Now when I'm doing something like a contour, I have our contour brush. Let me find my contour palette real quick. Hold on. Here it is. I still use our Time to Shine. This was a makeup palette that we had at Christmas time, and it has the best contour set in it. So you can take this contour brush, and I'm going to pick up And you can add a little bit of definition in on your cheeks. I'm going to take my blender, and because I've already done my setting powder, and I'm just going to kind of pat that in just a little bit. But you can see, I mean, my cheeks instantly look thinner. It's crazy. I need some help on that. I do think on your avon.com/jwoolsey, I think we still have this palette. There may be still some. I can share the link here in the group, but it has 2 bronzers and 2 blushes in that. And then it has like 26 different pods of eyeshadow. And on days that like I don't do my makeup with you guys, I'll tend to use that palette because it has so much variety in it. So, I mean, there's so many uses for all the brushes. You don't have to necessarily use what the description is for. So, okay. We're going to curl these lashes. Oh, I have exciting news. Our Love Mascara, which is our very favorite mascara ever, right? We're all on board. Love Mascara is coming out in waterproof. Yes! I am here for this. Hi, Cindy. Are you going to join our Zoom today? So it is coming out in waterproof here in a couple of campaigns. I'm so excited to review that for you guys. I think that you are going to love it. All right. I'm just going in. Doing a little bit of mascara on because this mascara, it just grabs hold of your lashes. It gives it some love, length, is everything. And then explodes. Woo, girl. You just poked yourself in the eye. I don't do that very often anymore. We're going to let it dry and I'm going to show you a little quick trick. I think I was going too fast. I just took a cotton swab and cleaned that mess right up. Okay, Coral Cushion Blush. Here we go. Doing a little pop. We'll go over that bronzer just a little bit. Yay, there we go. And we are going to use Ambitious today in our Mattitudes. I love this Ambitious color. It's a good, poked myself in the eye. It is a good neutral matte. Especially since I put that extra little bit of glimmer on my eyes. There we go. All right, guys, we are ready to hit the day. So no matter what your plans are, whether it's to do a staycation or to go out with your family, be safe, make good choices, and thank you for watching. Please share this video. Somebody else could use these tips. And my eyes still watering. And if you want to shop for any of these products, you can do so at your avon.com/jwoolsey. Check it out and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for getting ready with me. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye, guys.